This 2014 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds Super C Diesel 33SW Full Wall Slide, East-West King Bed is a Super C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 34 feet 6 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 6, external shower, slide-out, air conditioning, TV, skylight, self-contained, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features front entertainment, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2014 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds Super C Diesel 33SW Full Wall Slide, East-West King Bed is built on a F550 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.